Good day, Dr. Jorely Mendoza. I am Gerald Rex Andonela from grade 11 Lara, and for my first video, I will solve question number 1, which is circle. With this given, x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 14y plus 38 is equal to 0. But since this is a general form, we have to transform it into a standard form. But before that, we gotta know first what is a circle. So, what is a circle? A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are same distance from one fixed point called the center, and the constant distance is called the radius. Now that we know what is a circle, we can now start in answering the given question.
X squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 14y plus 38 is equal to 0. That is a general form. Now we have to make it a standard form. Here are the steps on how to make it a standard form. First, we have to arrange the terms. Just simply by doing it like this. Now that we have arranged the terms, the next step is to make this a perfect square trinomial. So how do we do that? Let's copy it first. So minus 6x. So how do we make it a perfect square trinomial? We have to divide negative 6 by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Negative 3. Now that we have the answer, we have to square it. Negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 6x plus 9. Now we have a perfect square trinomial. Let's do the same the other side. Y squared plus 14y. 14y divided by 2. 14 divided by 2. 7 squared 49. Now, negative 38. What we added here, we must also add in this part. Plus 9 plus 49. Now that we have a perfect square trinomial, we have to factor it. So how do we factor it? The answers from what we have shown here. So x minus 3 squared. Kung ano po yung answer dito kapag dinivide mo siya sa 2, ito po, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. That's just the shortcut, but yeah. So let's continue. So plus y plus 7 squared is equal to negative 38 plus 9, negative 29 plus 49, positive 20. Now, we can still simplify 20. So, what we have to do is x minus 3 squared plus y plus 7 squared is equal to square root of 4 times 5. Now, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 7 squared is equal to 2 square root of 5. Now, we have the center. So, this is just the shortcut. So, we just have to get the opposite of negative 3, which is positive 3, and the opposite of positive 7, which is negative 7. That is just the shortcut, but let's just solve it. So this is the process on how do we solve it. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to positive 3. That's the answer. It's just the same like this. Now, for the second one, y plus 7 is equal to 0. Y is equal to negative 7. See, it's just the same. Now that we have the center, the next one we have to get is the radius. How do we get the radius? This is the radius. So, radius is equal to 2 square root of 5. Okay, so we can convert it into decimal. 2 square root of 5 in decimal is 4.47. 4.47. We converted it so that it will be easy when we graph it. So, let's now go to the process of graphing. Okay, so now this is the graph that we have made from the circle given x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 14y plus 38 is equal to 0. The center is 3, negative 7, and the radius is 2 square root of 5. How do we graph it? First, we have to place the center, which is 3, negative 7. Then, at any place, since they're equidistant to each other, we can do like this, which is, since the decimal of the radius is 4.47, so 1, 2, 3, 4.47, which is near the middle, 4.47. We have to do the same to the other sides. 1, 2, 3, 4.47. 1, 2, 3, 4.47. 1, 2, 3, 4.47. Now that we have placed the radius and the center, we can now make it a circle, just like that.
That's just all. Thank you for watching my first video.